And if you put your right hand on that bar, put your feet on the floor again, and just take your weight off the seat. Now, it's a little better.
Yep.
You should have to look up slightly to see the bottom of that monitor.
Oh,
That's the natural position a pilot would have.
okay.
Because you're primarily looking at the main instrument. And I just put down here.
Cheers, Gail.
Yeah.
We'll take some photographs afterwards as well.
Okay, yeah.
While I'm recording the video.
Enjoy yourself. Thank you.
Okay, welcome aboard.
Thank
So
you.
this is a Boeing 737-800, as Gavin said. So it's the next generation glass cockpit. So over here we have the primary flight display. Here we have the navigation display. And here we have the engine instrumentation, fuel pumps, that type of thing, and fuel gauges. On the secondary one we have the hydraulic systems on display at the moment. You can see the control surfaces moving around there. If we switch into the systems where the engine displays, we can see secondary information about the engine. This information can still be contained up when I switch to systems display. This engine information is contained here in numerical format. I like this display, it gives us more information. This is a flight management computer. For the 15-minute flight experience, we don't really do anything with this. We have this pre-configured. So we have a route into the airport here. So over here, this is your airspeed here.
Yeah.
This one is your altitude, and this is above sea level. This is your altitude above the ground level. You see here this black line?
Yeah.
Those are the wings of the aircraft, and the dot is the nose of the aircraft. Okay, so this is the artificial horizon. So when you look out the window now, you can't see the runway, or you can see the horizon, but when it's cloudy, you might not see it if it's night. You look down here, and this will show you how you are in relation to the ground.
Okay.
So on takeoff, we're going to pitch up to 15 degrees. So can you see 10 and 20 there? The wider white line there. It's that one up there. So that's what we're aiming for on takeoff. Navigation display is here. So if you look here at the moment, you see this heading bug moving. So we'll set that back on 280. So the runway heading here is 280. We will take off. We'll fly to about 1,000 feet. Then we'll turn left. We'll go in a southerly direction. We're going to go to 190. So I will rotate the heading bug like this. And then U-track. So U-track left into this heading. Then we will go to the east, then back to the north, and then finally back to west. So we'll be flying like a rectangle shape.
Okay.
And landing again on runway 28. So I'll just get it set up again. So the altitude we'll be flying at today will be 5,000 feet. On the approach indicate, we will descend to 3,500. You will fly the aircraft all the time. I'm just your instructor. Okay?
Alright.
No problem. So is there anything you want to ask about before we get ready to go?
So this is the control line.
This is the control column. So I'll explain to you the control axis now. So when we want to pitch the aircraft up, we pull the nose back and push forward to go let it go down. So this is the back motion, this is to make the aircraft descend. So and then you push forward to make the aircraft descend again, okay? So then we talk about roll, left and right. Yeah, that's correct. And then we have another one called yaw. Yaw is like this type of motion. This is with the feet. Feet up on the pedals. So all the way left, but right. Yeah. So this is left now. This will turn the aircraft on the ground.
Press the left to turn to left.
It will make the aircraft sort of yaw, but not turn.
Alright. I understand.
It will still track the same direction, but it will yaw.
Yeah.
Okay. And on the ground, we don't turn like this. We turn with the feet. So left and right with the feet. We look for. Don't worry.
It's steady.
You don't touch this until I say okay, rotate. Then you take the controls and you go back. It's you can a little bit turn it, but don't overbank it. If you overbank the aircraft, when we're accelerating, we may lift up in one wheel. We don't want that.
Okay. Is it a real simulator like pilots training?
Of course, yeah. This is a fully functional overhead. Everything here works exactly as it does in the real aircraft. If I turn on the anti-ice, you can see.
Are you a pilot yet?
I'm not type rated on the 7.3.
Yeah.
This is my project. I built this and I know the whole system inside out. So don't be worried. I know exactly how to fly this. All right.
Okay.
So heading. Well, the only automation we'll use is the auto throttle. Okay.
Yeah.
So the auto throttle, the way that works, we set it here. It's like a cruise control in the car. So if we want to increase the speed, we rotate left. If we want to decrease, we rotate right or left. So that's how we do it. So that should be straightforward.
Okay.
Parking brake is here. Flaps are here. Thrust levers are here. So if you look here, this is percentage of power. This is the exhaust gas temperature. So when we increase power, more fuel gets burned. You get more heat on the exhaust, and you can see it rising here. So we'll just close the throttles again now. Okay, so takeoff will be with you. So what we do is we bring it up to about 50%, which is the number 5 there. You see 4, 6. So about 50, and then you press the takeoff go around button, which is this one down here. That will automatically get us up and running. Okay, so we'll just pull the handbrake back up. Okay, so flaps are set to 5. Auto brakes are set to RTO. Okay, we're good to go. So disconnect the power company, just shove it forward, push forward. Hands on the thrust levers now. So bring it forward to about 50%. A little bit more. Let's stop there. Just back a little bit now. Back a little bit more. There we go. Okay, now we're rolling. So now you press the black button down here.
Press now.
Yeah. Let the throttle slow. Let it go. There we are. Thrust set. So right foot forward now. That's good. Left foot forward. Okay, brilliant job. Okay, there's 80 knots. I will call V1 rotate. You take the controls and go back. Right foot forward. Okay, V1 rotate. Start going back. Back, back, back. Go back with the control column. Up we go. Right foot down here. We're looking for 15 degrees. So push forward. Positive rate with the gear up. So you see now we have 25.
Yeah.
So push forward. We're looking for 15 degrees. So keep pushing forward.
15, yeah.
15, yeah. And to the right as well. Well to the right. That's it. Come back a little bit. Perfect. Good job. Okay. We're looking for 210 in the airspace. Flaps roll. Perfect. Everything's nice under control. So we will continue this heading for a little while. Just roll a little bit to the right to go back to 280. Good job. Just push forward. Okay, now we're coming up on our heading of 5,000. Push forward on the control column now.
So always 50 degrees.
No more 15 now. Now we're going to the 1 mark above the horizon.
Yeah.
Just 1 mark. Let's start pulling back now. There we go. Excellent job. Okay, now we'll do the left turn to 190.
With the foot.
With the control column, so just turn it a little. There we go. Nice and steady. That's not too much. That's perfect. Very good. Do you live in Dublin?
Yeah.
What
Swords.
part?
Swords.
Swords. All right. There is Weston Airport there. It's in Leixlip, County Kildare.
Oh,
There's the M50 look over your shoulder. Can you see the junction there? That's the N4 junction.
or like this one.
That's the Balmerstown one. Or Milton. So we'll continue turning left now. So can you see what heading we are at the moment? If you look at your display here, you can see the heading.
Yeah.
230, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to roll wings level again at 190.
190.
Good. You can see here on the heading 190. There we go. Nice steady control. Have you flown an aircraft before?
No.
A little bit forward now and start rolling to the right now, wings level. Keep going, keep going, keep going, all the way around. Okay, so we've gone to 180, so a little bit to the right now to go back, go up to the right. There we go. And that's enough, not too much. Slowly back to the left now to get the wings level. Very good. So 187, 3 degrees off, no problem. That's good.
Yeah.
That's very good.
The pilots don't look mostly to the outside.
Not really, but
Yeah.
you can see here, this is 200 millimeters from here to here. This is the forward view.
Okay.
Your primary focus is on instrument flight. Okay, we will do the left turn now for a heading of 100. Very good. Not too much, that's enough. Turn back to the right a little bit. That's fine. Pull back a little bit on the column now, so we go back up. Descending now. To the right a little bit. You can see a quarry down there.
Yeah.
Okay, keep the turn going. So have you ever heard of the Wicklow Mountains, the Sally Gap?
Oh yeah.
That's the Sally Gap down there. If you just press those forward, you can see it.
So it'll be there in 2 minutes, right?
We're at the airport.
Coming from when you take off the Wicklow.
Of course, yeah. You're doing 200 units, 200 knots now at the moment.
Yeah.
This is about 320 kilometers an hour. It's pretty quick.
Okay.
No traffic lights up here. We take off at 130 knots. This is 240 kilometers an hour, 248 I think kilometers an hour exactly. Okay, so we continue the turn now to the left. If you look here, we're 141. We go left. Can you see this green square here?
Yeah.
This is terrain. This is the mountains here to the right. So if you the further down you get, the bigger you can see here. This is terrain. We'll set this way down. So here's your aircraft now. We continue this turn to the left all the way around to 100. That's fine. Just jump back to the right very quickly. There we go. And level. Perfect. Professional now. So you look down to the left, that's the city centre down there, you see it?
Oh, Dublin, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the spire is there.
Yeah, you can see it, yeah. Lansdowne Road Football Stadium. And on the north side of the river, you have the Croke Park Football Stadium. There's the Sugarloaf Mountain there, if you've ever drove down that part of the country. It's the famous landmark. To the right again, now back to 100, you see we were at 85. That's good. To the left again. Okay, so now I'm going to show you something called the flight directors, okay? So if you look now, you can see to the right. See the two pink lines? Yeah. Go up to the horizontal one first, and then turn to the right to go to the vertical one. You see the point where the two lines are connected? You put the dot, the nose of your aircraft all together. So go to the right like this to start. Forward. To the right a little bit more, that's it. Back again. Come back. And left again now. This just takes a little bit of practice, but when you get this right, you're perfectly on course.
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect. Good job. Right again, go off, that's okay. Okay, so if you look here now, you see this where it says land mode?
Yeah.
This is the waypoint to take us back to the airport. This is the start of the procedure to land back on the runway.
Okay.
So we're about 8 miles from that destination. There's 10 miles, here's 5 miles. So we will zoom in one step. There's land mode just there. So we're going to go another 5 miles and then we will turn to the left. How does it feel?
Oh, feel good.
Got a good handle, good control. Nice and smooth. So you can see there's 5,000 coming now, the altitude we've set.
Yeah.
And you watch what happens, the flight director will start to go down a little bit to keep you on track. A little touch more. Go back, go back. There you go. There's the UK straight in front of us. You can see over there, that's angled seat.
Okay.
Go back some more now, look to the right. This is where it becomes difficult, is when you're right over the ocean, because you have no visual reference other than the horizon.
So you're for this, yeah.
Okay, we'll do the left turn now, left 10. You'll notice the vertical bar moving.
Yeah.
Down a little bit to the right a little bit. There you go. To the left again. That's it. Now. To the right. Okay, just hold it there now, left again a little bit. Just keep tracking it. It's difficult to stay on it, but you just bracket it. There you go. Now we're coming up on our target. There's both down there. Now we'll descend down. We'll go down to 2.5. If you look now, your vertical bar, your horizontal bar is going down. This is the front bit coming up now, the landing. now you have time to look out and see a bit of the scenery.
Nice civilization.
You look down to the left there, you can see Bull Island. That's there in the foreground. Back to the right now. It doesn't take long when you take your eyes off to go off.
Yeah, I did this.
Like if you close your eyes for 5 seconds, you lose a lot of altitude very quickly, yeah.
You know autopilot on this?
No autopilot, well, there is autopilot, but we're not using it.
Yeah.
Pitch forward. We're just going to hold the speed of 180 now. Just pull that nose back. Okay, we're going to go left now again to a heading of 3.
How do you know the distance from the ground?
The distance from the ground is the altitude here.
Oh, yeah, 30.
So just pull back a little bit now, we don't need to set too quickly. And start turning left now. Notice the vertical bar. There we are. To the right, not too much. That's fine there. Left again. A little bit left. There we are. Just pitch forward now as well. You just hold it back a little bit. Left again. Okay, just to the right a little bit. Hold it there. Coming up on the approach now. So then we'll start tracking to the left now. Here we go. Slow down now to our final approach speed. Speed brake up. Gear coming down. A little bit more to the left now, just nice and smooth, nice and gentle. Flaps 50, go left. And you turn more to the left. Right now, look at the flight director. Here we go. Not too much, not too much. Here we are now, you see? Yeah, here's the airport over here. So we'll go this way. Pitch forward on the right to the left. Just try and get right back onto the point of the cross where we get to be. Right, to the right, no, to the right, to the right, to the right. Okay, what we'll do is we'll quickly get the aircraft configured. Just let me have control for a moment. Yeah. And I'll just help you out just for a second. Just to get you back on course. Can you see the airport now? Okay, you have control? Yeah. There you go. You can see the runway? 25. That's it. The black one, the darker one, yeah. A little bit to the left now. Look at your flight directors again now. Just track back on them for a little while. And stay above the pink line now. You must stay above the pink line for this approach. So come back. And to the right. To the right. Full flaps. And keep up now above the pink line. To the left again. To the right. Very behind. To the right. No, not too much. Not too much. Okay. Yeah. Focus on the runway now just for a moment. And get back on course. A little bit to the right, you look out the window, small bit to the right, over to me, look out this way, fly to the right, over more to the right, turn, look out the window, don't look down, just look out the window, and left again now, left again, left some more, and hold it there to the right. Now we're just going to let it drift over a little bit and then we'll get back on course. So you want to land with the runway right between the two of us. Yeah. Small bit to the right, now that's good. Forward a little bit. Forward? Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, here we go. Back a little bit now. Back some more. 1,000. That's it, a little bit to the left, now just drift over a little bit. And right again. Left to be touched now, just keep it nice and straight now. To the right a little bit now, we're just drifting a little bit forward, 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 there we are, and back. Now hold it there, here we go. Keep it wings level at all times. Keep the wings level for the approach. To the right.
Green.
Right. You pull back a little bit. Just go down a little quickly.
200. Right.
Here we go. Right a bit. Okay, here we go.
Approaching minimums. Glide slope.
Forward a wee touch.
50. 40.
Here we go.
30.
Left a bit. Hold up there. Right.
20.
10.
Minimums.
Okay, push the right foot forward. Now we go off the runway. Then get the wings level. Okay, reach down here and pull this level up. Okay, we're going to be stopping. There we go. Left foot forward now again. That's it. That's to the right. Here we go. Okay, close the reverse thrust now. Push forward. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now reach over there to the steering wheel. And we're just going to turn off here. Very good. Now we'll just come to a stop on the stop bar up here. Just start to tip your toes forward. There we go. There we are. Okay, so just reach over here now and pull up the handbrake. Welcome back to Dublin.
Oh, thank you.
Just give yourself a thumbs up at the camera there.
Very good.
Okay, so you want some photographs?
Yes.
I'll go and get the video ready. Kevin,
Yes,
take some
yeah.
pictures for you.
Took the time. 10:45. Did you enjoy it?
I did.
It's very good.
Yeah.
You're glad you met me now. So if you could